In this video, I will guide you on how to use Instagram Plus subscription features. First, you want to launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and look for the option of Instagram Plus. Currently, Instagram Plus is only available in few regions, so it might not be available for everyone. Right now, Instagram Plus is being tested in Mexico, Japan, and Philippines. So if you are living in one of these regions, you can easily access it from here. Now go ahead and select it and then tap on the subscribe option. Once you have subscribed, you can use different features of Instagram Plus, such as anonymous story viewing. You can watch stories without appearing in the viewers list. You also get extended story duration. You can set stories to stay active for 48 hours instead of 24 hours. You can spotlight one story per week. You can see how many times someone has rewatched your story. You also have other features such as multiple audience list, exclusive animated reactions. You can also quickly search usernames in your story viewer list. This makes it easier to find specific viewers without scrolling through long lists. In this way, you can easily use Instagram Plus subscription feature. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.